Now let's look at this question, and here it says that a 600 microfarad capacitor is charged by a 200 volt supply. It is then disconnected from the supply and is connected to another uncharged 600 microfarad capacitor. How much electrostatic energy is lost in the process? Now, first of all, what we need to do here, let us write out the first capacitor is 600 microfarad, the second 600 microfarad, and the volt is 200 volts. Now the electrostatic energy is given as 1 all over 2. Now in relationship to capacitor and V, you have CV squared. Okay, now let us now find the electrostatic energy for the first one, on the first capacitor, which is 600 microfarad, when it was charged. So here you have 1 over 2 times 600 times 10 raised to the power minus 6. Now this 10 raised to the power minus 6 is actually the farad, okay? Then times the volt, 200 raised to the power of what? 2. Then you get to have this will now give us 2 here, 2 here, 300. Then here you have 300 times 10 to the power minus 6 times 200 raised to the power of 2 should give us 40,000. Okay, now let us put all these to index form. This is 3 times, now how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right, now 3 times 4 here is 12. Now times 10 to the power of 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now times 10 to the power minus 6, which is this. Then when we eliminate, so the energy, electrostatic energy it acquired after being charged is 12 joules. Now, which implies it is now unplugged or removed from the source. It is now connected with another uncharged what? Capacitor. So now since we are not told it is parallel, automatically it should be in a series. And when capacitors are in series, here you have 1 all over, let's look for the combined capacitor. So since they're in series, it will now be 1 over C, which is the combined capacitance, over 1 over C1 plus 1 over what? C2. Then this will give us 1 all over 600 plus 1 over what? 600. Okay, so since they have the same denominator, 1 plus 1 all over 600, which will give us 2 all over 600, which is 1 over C. Then our C will now give us 600 all over what? 2, which will give us 300 microfarad. Now let us now calculate the energy on the static energy on this. So here you have 1 over 2 CV squared. So here you have 1 over 2 times this 300 times 10 to the power minus 6 times that's the charge. That is still 200 all is power 2. So this will give us 300 times 10 to the power minus 6 times the square of this 200. The square of 200 will give us 40000 for 1 to 3. Then all over 2 here 1, 2 here 2, then 0000. So our energy will still be 2 times 6. 3 times 2 here is 6. Then times how many zeros? 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then times 10 to the power minus 6. This will cancel this, so we're left with was 6 what? Joules. So this is actually the electrostatic energy after it was connected to this uncharged capacitor. So to that end, the energy lost will then be, that's 1. Let's say this one as 1, and let's take this one as 2. 1 minus 2, which will now give us 12 minus 6 joules. Alright, if you love what I've just done, subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos in physics and mathematics, and please don't forget to share with others. Thank you and God bless you.